Ustadh, may Allah bless you. Allahumma ameen. I know someone who has severe waswas with regards to wudu and salah. But he does adhkar and ruqya and still he doesn't get to better. Please advise. This is a very good question. Very good question. Brothers and sisters, if you take a medication, the medication that you take, it doesn't affect, or sometimes it doesn't work straight away. It sometimes takes time. There's a possibility that this person's heart is probably maybe darkened, this person has been sinning for so long, this person, and etc. And so now when this person started the adhkar, it's just been rested. The heart hasn't been cleansed yet. So the dhikr is working, it's working, but the effects haven't shown yet. Another thing is that, brothers and sisters, the dhikr, 𝗵𝗏𝘃𝗀𝘀 says something very powerful when he speaks about the dua. The dhikr is very important you understand this point. There's nothing wrong with the dhikr, or there's nothing wrong with the dua. Allah accepts dua. Yes, He accepts the dua. And the dhikr, they benefit you. All of these benefits that the author was saying, that's the benefits of the dhikr. But is that for everybody? No. The same way a seed and water, if you have a seed, you've got water, ideally you have the means to bring about a plant, but not every land will accept it. So is your heart and mind and your body accepting this is important. And there are factors that the person has to look at and work on. I have seen that a lot of people who tend to have these issues a lot. I'm not saying it's everybody, I'm not saying it's every single person, but I've seen other people, or a handful of people, I've dealt with them, okay? A handful of people, to be fair. I've seen that they have, they've taken some substance in the past. Now they've repented, they've taken their religion serious, but there's some substance that they've taken. And this is now making them hallucinate and etc. So there are a lot of factors that play in the situation. And if you carry on the dhikr, it will start to affect, it will start to work, inshallah ta'ala. And you take a medication, it takes time for the medicine to go into your body and to show the results, inshallah ta'ala.